Hey everyone, welcome back. If the ING app verification code is not working, start by waiting a few minutes before requesting a new code. Check that your phone has a strong signal and is able to receive messages or app notifications. Then, make sure that notifications are enabled for the ING app in your phone settings. Head over to your settings app, then search for notifications. After that, scroll down and make sure that you have turned the notifications on for your ING mobile app as well. After that, confirm that your phone number is correct and active in your ING account. Restart your phone and request a new code again. If the code still does not work, log in through ING Internet Banking and update your security or settings. Contact ING customer support for help, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.